Ever felt that little pang of excitement when you finally get your hands on some new crypto, but then that slight wave of confusion hits? You're staring at your Ellipal Titan, ready to secure your precious digital assets, and the question pops into your head, okay, now, how do I actually add these coins to my wallet? You're not alone. It's a common step, and thankfully, Ellipal has made the process pretty straightforward. Whether you're a seasoned hodler or just dipping your toes into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies, understanding how to properly add coins to your hardware wallet is crucial for security and peace of mind. After all, the whole point of a hardware wallet like the Ellipal is to keep your private keys offline and away from potential online threats. So, let's break down exactly how you can get those new coins safely nestled within your Ellipal. First things first, ensure your Ellipal Titan is powered on and unlocked. You'll be navigating through the device itself for the initial steps. On the main screen, you'll want to look for the plus icon or a button that says something like Add Coin or Manage Coins. Tap on this option. Next, you'll be presented with a list of all the cryptocurrencies that your Ellipal wallet supports. This is where you'll scroll through and find the specific coin you want to add. Let's say, for example, you just bought some Cardano, ADA, and you want to add it to your Ellipal. You would simply locate Cardano or ADA in the list and tap on it. Once you've selected the coin, the Ellipal will typically ask you to confirm that you want to add this asset. It might also give you the option to create a new address for this specific coin. It's generally a good practice to generate a new address for each transaction or when adding coins for the first time. This enhances your privacy. So, if prompted, go ahead and choose the option to create a new address. Now, your Ellipal will generate a unique receiving address for the Cardano you want to add. This address is essentially like a digital mailbox where your newly acquired ADA will be sent. It's absolutely crucial to double-check this address carefully. Even a single incorrect character can result in your funds being sent to the wrong place, and in the world of crypto, those funds can be very difficult, if not impossible, to recover. You will usually see options on the Ellipal screen to either display this address as a QR code or as a string of alphanumeric characters. If you're sending the Cardano from a mobile exchange or another software wallet, scanning the QR code is often the easiest and most error-free method. Simply open the sending platform on your phone or computer, locate the send or withdraw function for Cardano, and look for an option to scan a QR code. Point your device's camera at the QR code displayed on your Ellipal. If you're manually entering the address, take your time and meticulously compare each character on your Ellipal with the address displayed on the sending platform. It's a good idea to read the address out loud, character by character, to ensure accuracy. Once you've either scanned the QR code or carefully entered the receiving address on the sending platform, you'll then specify the amount of Cardano you want to send and initiate the transaction. Now comes the waiting game. The time it takes for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain will vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency and the network congestion. You can usually check the status of the transaction on the blockchain explorer associated with that particular coin. Your sending platform will likely provide a transaction ID, TXID, or a link to the explorer. Once the transaction is confirmed, you should see the newly added Cardano reflected in your Ellipal wallet balance. Congratulations! You've successfully added coins to your secure Ellipal hardware wallet. Remember, this process is similar for most other cryptocurrencies supported by Ellipal. Just select the desired coin, generate a new address, and carefully send your funds to that address. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.